That great honor, man. That great honor, because people, sometimes they don't want to pass through these areas. And bring doctors from America, that we don't have to stand up in a line tonight, we just get through. Some doctor there, over 40 doctor there from America.
Good look, it's a good look for the ghetto. Yeah, and they are good, they did that good work.
You know, JAHJAH Foundation, it's all about giving back, you know. And when I was younger, this man gave to me. Giving back. Yeah. So,
Stacey across, the principal for Shiloh Basic School. So I'm here utilizing the services of the professionals that is having the health fair with the kids. So yeah, yes, I'm utilizing.
How do you feel about
Yes, it's a good venture, very good. I appreciate it a lot. And more proud to Mr. Whitty because he's the mastermind behind it. Yes, he's the mastermind behind it. So more preps to him. Yes, I'm happy about it.
What is your name?
Melanie.
Melanie, how are you?
Great.
You're doing great? Are you happy to see me? Are you happy that the
Answer,
doctors are
hope
here?
you say yes.
Happy the doctors came to see you? What about you? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is I Waters.
Okay, and are you happy to see the doctors come to see you today?
Yeah.
Okay. Say thank you, Doc.
Thank you, God.
My name is Cleopatra.
And Miss Cleopatra, how do you feel about the doctors coming down here to come in?
Well, I'm feeling so great and I really appreciate them, what they have done right now in Fletchers Land community.
Marie, how do you feel about the doctors coming down here?
Good look, it's a good look for the ghetto. Nice. Yeah. And they are good. They did that good work.
Well, thank you for coming out.
Okay.
Yes,
Great.
yeah, man, there.
This is an emotional time for me.
You know this gentleman?
I know this gentleman, I've known him for years. This is somebody who I haven't seen in maybe 20 years, but we worked together with Air Jamaica back in the days. Man.
How do you feel? How do you feel to know that you came back to see it?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yeah, man, wonderful. I appreciate it.
What are you doing, nurse? What are you doing? You're giving toys?
Giving the children toys. You like that color? Alright, that's it. Things are going great. We're seeing our patients. People are very happy. They're reporting being very happy for the services that they're getting here. We'll continue to keep the tempo. You're welcome.
This is some water. Oh, here's some water, and then you're gonna switch it around. Don't drink it. Just go like the.
You have the most beautiful teeth. Wow.
So good. Look at your teeth. They're so beautiful.
Yeah, dentist. You my dentist?
He's the #1 dentist.
Down in Fletchers Land, big moment. Dr. Dixon, please tell us what's going on here.
Well, this is a health fair, medical and dental care and cervical cancer screening going on right here today. We're in Fletchers Land, Kingston, and we're here with Whitfield Henry, otherwise known as Whitty, Father Whitty.
Uptown Monday.
Uptown Mondays, and we're doing a health fair.
Right, so Father Whitty, the son come down from New York. Come check it. Tell us about this whole big moment.
Well, it's an honor, you know. The man I reach out to people all the while. That's why I become a doctor. Because I might as well look out for people, especially me.
So you know him from back in the day in New York?
I'm from growing up, from baby come up.
Right.
And this is our third time we're doing this fair, health fair. But now we're doing it at home, where I came from, where I was born, Fletchers Land.
So how does it feel, how does it make you feel to see him come lead a team down here to come and visit your community, to help your neighbors in your community?
It's a great honor. It's a great honor because people, sometimes they don't want to pass through these areas. And bring doctors from America, that we don't have to stand up in a line tonight. We just get through. So much doctor there, over 40 doctor there from America. I come give you some of them time. I'm so elated and happy about this situation.
Dr. Dixon, your perspective, how do you feel to be able to come down into your adopted father community, come bless him?
Well, you know, JAHJAH Foundation, it's all about giving back, you know. And when I was younger, this man gave to me. give him back. So, and not free, not free now.
So Father with it, tell me now about the turnout. Are you pleased with the turnout?
Yeah, man, and more people that have come on. More people that have come on. You know what I mean? We don't have enough time though. But more people that have turn up, you know what I mean? Because work issue, you know what I mean? People that have to go to work, now leave till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you know? So, you know, we just honor who is here from now and respect who is here and ask for them to come out. But without them, we wouldn't be successful.
Lastly, what do you want to tell people about JAHJAH Foundation?
Well, you know how it stands for Jamaican abroad helping Jamaican at home. And that's it, full stop. And praise to my adopted son.
You know what we say? Our people, our problem.
Yes.
One love, JAHJAH Foundation.
All right, good.
Oh my gosh, he had such great things to say about us.
It's okay. We'll have somebody else.
Where's the gentleman that was talking to you?
Boss man, they want to know how you feel for those boys as sponsor.
It's a full eyes, you know. As you can see, you know. It's great, all about greatness, so I can see. You see it, because we take time out to know, so boy, come see where really are. I push you, you see it, it's going well. You see it, people behind you and the people with you. You see it, it's what we all about giving back.
You know them say who have eyes for see, make them see.
Junior, bring Junior.
Yeah, man.
Junior Marks, Pepper Seed, Bronx, New York. What else, Junior?
Everything cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Junior, happy with what you seen here?
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy is beyond happy, the world is happy,
everything is running smooth, organized. Every year we learn and do it better, you know.
Do it better.
Yeah.
So
yes, sir.
Our heart is filled with joy now to see we can come down here and help our people. Our people, you know. As we say, our people, our problem. So we're not relying on anybody else to fix the problem. We just roll up our sleeve and we just try to help the people that know.
I'm Patrice Gordon-Poyser, a member of the JAHJAH Foundation. Today we are in Fletchers Land community in Kingston, Jamaica. We are here for our very first health fair of Mission for Change 2025. There has been a very good turnout from the community, from all age groups, from basic school age children all the way to the elderly. We have a good mixture of both male and female patients. Yes, they're very welcoming, they're very appreciative, they're very cooperative. The highest services so far have been medical and dental, so they could see a doctor to get general checkups, almost like a physical in the US, and for dental. And when it comes to dental, they have 3 options. They could get cleanings, extractions, and or fillings. It is very impactful what JAHJAH Foundation is doing in a community that is underrepresented, underserved in the Kingston area. Most of the people here, they wait until it's too critical to seek medical care. So doing a community health fair such as this, we're hoping to catch any issues that may be developing. We're doing referrals if those are needed for them to get continued treatment outside of this health fair, because we know we're only here for a day, but we hope to have a lasting impact that can improve their lives after today.
What are you doing? What is your name?
My name is Kali Always. My next name is...
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Kali Always. My next name is Fruit.
Yeah, man, I'm happy, man. I'm very happy. You know what I mean?
Come down in their place.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Well, I never knew that so many people are going to come out there.
Well, may I tell you,
how did you advertise it?
By mouth. By mouth.
Yeah?
I will print a couple flyers.
Okay.
Yeah.
JAHJAH Foundation.
JAHJAH Foundation, yes, sir.